Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's session I'm going to talk to you about confidence and about sketching. Why everyday sketching is such an important thing. Because of as long you drawing on the everyday basis, you can, of course, you improving your art, you mastering your art, and also you just getting more and more confident in drawing. So what I have for now, I have two pencils, one of them HB, this one, and another one 2B, I think. Yes, it is 2B. So it is very, very important to draw every single day, to sketch every single day, because you can master your skills, and also you are getting more and more be confident. You begin be confident more and more from everything. So I have some vision in my mind, and I would like just to create something just for drawing, just for sketching, just for feeling of I'm free and I allow to myself to make nonsense. And that's it. This is most important. I think that what is most important in art, don't think too much what I'm going to draw for now. I have no idea what I'm going to draw, and I allow to myself just to play around and to play with my with lines. And I like spirals, I like round shapes, I like curved lines, and I allow to myself just to make something, I don't know, interesting. So I'm drawing with 2B pencil, and without thinking, just to warming up. Actually today's afternoon, and I walked during my morning for my job, and digitally I mean, and when I feel too tired from digital art, I'm like to grab pencils and my sketchbook and just to draw something. For example, for now, I don't think about beauty, I don't think about what it should be. I'm just playing around with shapes and with forms and shapes and lines. That's it. So I will be in silent for a while, and because I would like to focus on my drawing, and I hope you can enjoy as well, and maybe I'll the main idea for this specific session is to said, allow to yourself do whatever you want, even though you have some dull, as I have some dull job for just for money, and even though, allow to yourself some time, do whatever you want to do, because I think my soul and soul of artist just has to have this feeling of freedom. I'm free to add and to create a good art, my art in my style, in my with some tools I would like to create it. No, I don't like it. And actually, I said to myself, whatever it will, I won't touch to eraser. So it comes. It's, I don't know. Again, feel free, and freedom. It's also connect to using and to draw whatever you want to draw, and with the tools, which tools you want to. You are happy with it. You're happy and feel free. Okay. Just to draw, because it is so important, I think, because for our soul of artist soul, our mood, our spirits, artistic spirits. Beautiful, I don't know. I did it without thinking too much, because I like just to draw. That's it. Nothing else. I can blue it and to expand it to something more serious composition, and I can leave it in this case, in this direction, in this stage. Feel free to try every shape, everything, and just to play around with it. I don't like it. This place, I don't like it. It's still be more, I don't know, more valuable, but I don't want to finish it only my own sketch. For what? Just for fun. That's it. And this is a point, to do whatever you want, just for your, I don't know, just for warming up, for training, for good feeling, and that's it. Good feeling. Hey, good feeling. Now I will fill it, all this area, with any tone just to get an interesting silhouette, an interesting shape, and think it will be good. Maybe not, who knows. I can try another part, for example, another part just for sketching. Feel free, sketch. So, the more you draw and sketch freely, just for yourself, for your own and for your own well-being, the more confident you'll become as an artist. That's the main idea of behind this video. So keep sketching, keep drawing every day, and see you next time. And bye for now. Thank you for watching.